Welcome to Great Tools, the channel where innovation meets everyday life. If you're passionate about discovering clever gadgets that can transform your kitchen into a chef's paradise, you're in the right place. In this very first video, we're diving into the top 24 best kitchen gadgets that are guaranteed to make cooking easier, faster, and way more fun. From tools that slice and dice effortlessly to gadgets that redefine convenience, there's something here for everyone. And trust us, you won't want to miss. Number one, it's a total game changer, so hit that subscribe button and let's get started on this exciting journey. The AEF Poi MXU Clear Glass Simmer Pot is a versatile and healthy cookware option crafted from food-grade borosilicate glass. Perfect for cooking soups, sauces, baby food, and more, it offers exceptional heat resistance, withstanding temperatures from 0 to 400, and is compatible with stovetops, ovens, microwaves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. Its clear, non-toxic design is easy to clean, stain-resistant, and odor-free, combining elegance with practicality. Available in multiple sizes, this pot is a must-have for your kitchen, making cooking convenient and stylish. The Vivatant rotary cheese grater brings restaurant-quality performance right to your kitchen. Designed for effortless grating, it features two stainless steel drum blades, fine for hard cheeses, chocolate, and nuts, and coarse for softer cheeses. Its patented locking handle ensures stability, while the large hopper and included serving containers add convenience. Perfect for both right and left-handed users, this grater is easy to disassemble and dishwasher safe. Built with BPA-free materials and a sturdy design, it delivers durability and safety without compromising ease of use. Elevate your meals with freshly grated perfection. The OxyDryly 2L stainless steel oil filter pot is the ultimate kitchen essential for grease and oil management. Made from high-quality food-grade 304 stainless steel, it features a removable fine mesh strainer to filter out debris and food particles, keeping your oil clean and reusable. With its large 2L capacity, it doubles as a grease container, fryer pot, or storage vessel for other liquids. Designed for convenience, it includes a handle for easy lifting, a curved spout for precise pouring, and is dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. Keep your cooking oil fresh, clean, and ready for your next meal. The Veneno Silicone Muffin Pan 2-pack is a must-have for hassle-free baking. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone with a sturdy metal-reinforced frame, these pans are durable, maintain their shape, and withstand temperatures from -140°C to -140°C THF. The non-stick surface ensures effortless release of muffins, cupcakes, cheesecakes, and more without residue or damage. Perfect for versatile baking, these pans are also easy to clean. Simply rinse or pop them in the dishwasher. The Olaix 2L electric cooker is a versatile and compact kitchen essential, perfect for making everything from pasta and ramen to steak and hot pot. Featuring dual power regulation, it offers precise cooking control for a variety of meals. Its ceramic glaze non-stick coating ensures healthier cooking with less oil and easy cleaning. Equipped with quick heating, overheat protection, and a lightweight portable design, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorms, offices, or on-the-go cooking. Safe, durable, and user-friendly, this electric cooker simplifies your meal prep with style and convenience. The Z-Willing Fresh and Save free-piece glass food storage set offers an innovative way to keep your meals fresher for up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. Crafted with durable dishwasher-safe glass, these containers reduce food and plastic waste while preserving flavors and nutrients. Perfect for meal prep, they prevent freezer burn and even marinate food faster under vacuum seal. Compatible with the Z-Willing Culinary World app, you can track stored food and minimize spoilage. Expertly engineered with German precision, this set combines functionality, sustainability, and convenience for your kitchen. The Kaizensen nonstick turkey roasting pan is your go-to for perfectly roasted meals. Measuring 17x14 inches, it holds up to a 24L turkey, ideal for holiday feasts or family dinners. Its heavy-duty steel ensures even heating for tender caramelized results, while the nonstick surface allows easy cleanup. The U-shaped rack elevates food, keeping it juicy but grease-free, and the wide, riveted handles provide a secure grip. Oven-safe up to 450 DEGF, this durable pan is perfect for both seasoned cooks and beginners. The CN Glass 900 ml glass teapot is perfect for tea lovers. Made from durable, stovetop-safe borosilicate glass, it's ideal for brewing loose or blooming teas. The removable stainless steel infuser ensures a smooth tea experience, while the non-drip spout and ergonomic handle make pouring effortless. Dishwasher safe and BPA free, this teapot brews 2 cups, making it great for home or office. Its elegant design makes it a thoughtful gift for any occasion. With CN Glass, enjoy your tea moments worry-free. The Utop Cake Dish Strainer Rack is a stylish and practical solution for drying dishes. Made from eco-friendly, water-resistant teak wood, this foldable 2-tier rack offers ample space for plates, cups, and bowls while saving counter space. With 15 vertical slots for plates and a lower tier for smaller items, it ensures efficient drying. The collapsible design allows for easy storage when not in use, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. Durable, compact, and easy to maintain, this rack combines functionality with elegance. The Eco Automatic Bathroom Trash Can, a sleek 2.6-gallon touchless solution, perfect for small areas like bathrooms, offices, or bedrooms. With advanced motion sensor technology, it opens in 0.2 seconds for a hands-free experience and locks odors inside with a tight seal. Certified waterproof and easy to clean, it features whisper quiet lid closure and a modern design. Compact yet stylish, this durable trash can is powered by 2 AA batteries and comes with 20 free trash bags for added convenience. The Minano V Electric Egg Cooker. Compact and portable, it's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or even on the go. Cook hard-boiled, soft-boiled, steamed eggs, or onsen tamago effortlessly. With a user-friendly digital timer, auto shut-off, and buzz alarm, your eggs are cooked to perfection every time. Made from BPA-free materials, it's safe, reliable, and energy efficient. Ideal for busy lifestyles, RV trips, or camping, this smart egg cooker also makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. The BrioBite Rechargeable Ice Cream Maker. Compact and portable, it's perfect for families, couples, or a solo treat, making 1-2 servings with ease. Featuring quiet, low-noise operation, USB-C rechargeable power, and a durable 2600 mAh battery, it's convenient for any occasion. The Brie Freeze Bowl ensures delicious results, and the user-friendly controls make operation effortless. Cleanup is a breeze with its disassemblable design. Indulge in gelato, sorbet, and milkshakes anytime. Ideal for your kitchen or on the go. Keep your essentials cool with the Frigidaire FMI Zone 188 SS Mini Portable Fridge Cooler. With a sleek stainless steel finish and a 10L capacity, it holds up to 15 cans, perfect for drinks, snacks, baby bottles, or even skincare products. Its thermoelectric cooling system ensures quiet operation, while the compact design and convenient handle make it easy to take anywhere. Ideal for dorms, offices, or on the go, this modern mini fridge combines style, functionality, and portability for ultimate convenience. The Go Running Electric Jar Opener. This one-tip, high-torch device effortlessly tackles the tightest lids, making it ideal for seniors, those with arthritis, or anyone with weak hands. Its soft silicone grip ensures safety and a secure hold, while the compact, lightweight design makes it portable and easy to store. Perfect for home kitchens, restaurants, or camping, it's a thoughtful gift for loved ones who deserve convenience in the kitchen. Say goodbye to jar struggles and hello to hassle-free cooking. The Full-Star All-in-One Vegetable Chopper and Mandolin Slicer is a versatile 6-in-1 kitchen tool designed to simplify meal prep. Featuring 5 interchangeable blades, it allows you to slice, dice, grate, and chop vegetables, cheese, and more with ease. An adjustable dial lets you customize thickness, while the bonus 3-in-1 handheld spiralizer makes creating spiralized veggies quick and convenient. Designed for safety and efficiency, it includes a finger guard, protective glove, and blade organizer, and its BPA-free, non-toxic materials ensure healthy meals. The non-slip base and built-in catch tray prevent mess, and its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup effortless. The Eucopia roll-down TM dispenser is a space-saving solution for refrigerator storage, holding 12.4K standard large or jumbo eggs. Its gravity-fed design gently dispenses eggs one at a time, eliminating the need for cartons and maximizing fridge space with its compact, two-tiered structure. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, it features non-slip feet for stability and is easy to clean with mild soap and water. Measuring 14.2 x 4.0 x 3.4. This organizer is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. The OEOP 2-in-1 mini bag sealer and cutter is a compact battery-powered kitchen tool designed for convenience. One side cuts open bags effortlessly, while the other side seals them to keep food fresh and prevent spills, ideal for chips, snacks, and more. Its advanced no preheat technology ensures quick sealing, and the portable design features a magnetic strip and lanyard for easy storage. Perfect for home, travel, or camping, the package includes the sealer, batteries, and a user manual for hassle-free use. The Zulate rotary cheese grater is a safe and efficient kitchen tool designed to make food preparation faster and easier. With 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, it grates, slices, and shreds a variety of ingredients, including cheese, vegetables, and nuts. The grater's easy-to-use rotary handle allows you to shred cheese 18 times faster than manual cutting, and the included food pusher keeps your hands away from the sharp blades. Its powerful suction base ensures stability, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this grater is a must-have for any kitchen. The OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner is a versatile and efficient tool for drying greens with minimal effort. Its one-handed pump allows for maximum drying power, while the patented brake stops the basket instantly with a simple press. The spinner features a non-skid base for stability, and the removable basket doubles as a colander for rinsing. With a convenient storage lock to keep the pump flush with the lid, this clear, durable bowl is perfect for serving or storing salads, ideal for anyone looking to simplify their salad prep. The Zule Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest is the perfect solution for keeping your countertops clean and organized while cooking. Designed with raised edges to catch spills and drips, it prevents messes on your stove and counter. With 4 slots, it holds multiple utensils, ensuring everything is within easy reach while cooking. Made from heat-resolvent, food-grade silicone, it's durable, non-slip, and easy to clean. Simply toss it in the dishwasher. This handy kitchen gadget not only adds convenience, but also makes a great gift for any cook. Backed by a lifetime guarantee, it's a must-have tool for your kitchen. The Chef Sophie Charcuterie Cheese Board and Platter Set is a luxurious and spacious 13-inch acacia wood board designed for elegant entertaining. This complete set includes 4 ceramic bowls and 4 high-quality stainless steel knives, perfect for organizing and serving a variety of cheeses, meats, fruits, and crackers. The slate board and heavy-duty knives allow for seamless cutting of hard, soft, and semi-hard cheeses, while the bowls keep everything neatly arranged. Ideal for upscale parties and lavish dinners, this stylish set is perfect for impressing guests and elevating your presentation. The Chef Sophie Charcuterie Cheese Board and Platter Set is a luxurious and practical addition to any entertaining setup. Made from organic acacia wood, this 13-inch board includes 4 ceramic bowls and 4 stainless steel knives, perfect for organizing and serving a variety of cheeses, meats, fruits, and crackers. Its elegant design is ideal for upscale parties and special occasions like weddings or housewarmings. With a high rating of 4.8 stars from over 8,200 reviews, this complete set is a must-have for anyone who loves hosting memorable gatherings. The Elite Gourmet EHPH 1300 Cordless Rechargeable Hand Blender offers powerful cordless blending with a variable speed control for precise results. Equipped with stainless steel blades, this portable blender makes light work of pureeing, mixing, and blending a variety of ingredients such as smoothies, soups, sauces, and baby food. Its compact design and pressure-sensitive control allow for easy operation in any container without the hassle of cords. The detachable blade assembly is dishwasher safe, ensuring simple cleanup. while the power button safety lock adds peace of mind. Perfect for on-the-go blending with up to 30 minutes of use. The Kitchen Star 16 Pizza Cutter Rocker features a razor-sharp stainless steel blade and an ergonomic beechwood handle, making slicing through pizza crust effortless and precise. Its protective blade cover ensures safe storage, while the versatile design allows it to cut through quesadillas, flatbreads, and more. With its smooth cutting action and comfortable grip, this pizza cutter is not only a must-have kitchen tool, but also a perfect gift for pizza lovers. Durable, functional, and easy to use, it enhances any pizza night experience.